Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I'm getting a lot of questions about how long is this going to last. Very excited about what's going on. Horrible what's going on, but very excited from a marketing perspective, we should say. There's an awful lot of agents generating business at a much, much lower cost than they've ever seen before. I don't know how long this is going to go, but we've got agents getting leads for under $1 a piece. Lots of reasons for that. I wanted to give you some observations as to why that's happening. There's an awful lot of businesses that are pulling out of the advertising world right now. For some reason, they're pulling their punches. Like, you're in a position right now that everybody is stuck at home on their computers and on their phones. This is a closed caption audience, right? Like, they're incredibly captivated by what's going on. They continuously hit their social media for news updates and health updates and that type of thing. So our cost is way, way down. And that's why so many agents are generating leads at $1, $2 a piece, whereas we were usually, even 2 weeks ago, we were at $5, $6, $10 a lead. So this is a perfect storm from a marketing perspective. Of course, we're hoping everybody gets better and, we can all get back to work and do the things we want to do. But from a marketing perspective, this is truly a perfect storm for us. And a lot of businesses have pulled out, which brings our ad costs down. And if you've got some really good advertisements, the advantage for you as a real estate agent is everybody's paying attention right now. We're getting more attention than we've ever had in the past. We've heard, how many years have we heard every client we talk to, I'm just so busy right now. Now people are actually bored. They're a long way from being busy. They have time to consume your content. So some of the ads that we've been running, I'm going to tell you about a couple of these here in a second. Some of the ads that we've been running have been working extremely well to generate tons and tons of business. So again, while we're all trying to be careful and be safe and do what everybody tells us to do and wash our hands and stay in the house and all that, you're a CEO of your real estate business. And it's your responsibility to take action on getting your message out there. The one thing we've always struggled with is, fighting with obscurity. Nobody knows who you are. Now you have the lowest cost chance you've ever had to get a bunch of attention in your marketplace and help these people with their buying and selling needs. I pointed out on a webinar that I did yesterday, don't you dare think that the real estate market has slowed down. If you look on Zillow, we took one city, I think we took Central Florida. If you take a city and you look at how many for sale by owners have listed their house in the last 48 hours, the number is astounding. There are still people looking to make a move, especially if they're going to be facing some financial struggles here. You want to be on the front end of being able to help these families out. So I've been proofing all day, every day. I've been proofing some of these ads and scripts and what's working for agents and what they need to adjust and that type of thing. I've been thinking about maybe sharing it with everyone. Haven't really committed to that yet, but I've been thinking about maybe doing a webinar this week since we're all kind of like stuck in the house. Maybe I do a Zoom meeting and show you some of these ads and how they're creating that marketing and that type of stuff. So not sure if we're going to do that or not yet. I did look at the schedule today. I know I've got a little time on Thursday that I would be able to do that. But, in gathering all of these ads and their conversion rates and what they're spending and that type of thing, it's phenomenal how well it's working for them. So, if you're not involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle, you definitely want to get involved and get yourself closing some deals. And right now, it's not about meeting people by any means. I don't want you to meet anyone. I want you to generate leads. This is a time for you to be filling your funnel. You don't need to go meet anybody face to face. You need to be filling your funnel, doing our tele-realtor stuff. There's tele-doctors out there, right? So there's a lot we can do online, offline, that type of thing, without actually meeting face-to-face, if in your area you can't be meeting face-to-face. So anyway, I'm looking at maybe putting that together on Thursday. If that is something you'd be interested in, just let me know in the comments here. Just leave a note in the comments that you'd like to attend Thursday if I do put it together. No guarantees that I am, but in gathering all of this information and all of these ads that agents are running, it's working so well. in virtually every single state around the U.S. It is unbelievable how well it's working. And, one of the benefits that we have is because I coach so many agents, because we have so many people involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle, I'm seeing the good, bad, and the ugly, right? I'm seeing what's working and what's not working and who's getting amazing results. I got a email from an agent today. He said, holy crap, I'm getting leads at 97 cents a piece, and I'm only spending $20 a day. He's getting 20 leads a day right now. Actually, that'd probably be 21 leads a day every single day from spending $20. So, for an agent to be sitting back and thinking, oh, I just got to wait this thing out, I don't have to be the one to tell you. Not only will you be broke while you're waiting, you're going to be broke for several months thereafter because it takes a while to get your business back rocking again. This is the perfect storm. We got an awful lot of agents that are generating big, big numbers right now. So you want to be involved with that. But again, if you are interested in maybe seeing some of these ads and how it's working, and more importantly, how to properly use a business page on Facebook, how to set up the ad, how to do it very simply so you don't need technology, because we don't need technology. I don't have to tell you, like, of the thousands of realtors that I work with, the average realtor in America is 54 years old. So we're not teaching technology stuff, right? I mean, I've got agents that are 70, 75 years old, and they're running simple ads on Facebook and generating leads at $1, $2 a piece. So very simple to do, but again, we might spend some money on this to continuously increase our ad spend. If you're only at $5 a day, maybe you go to $10 a day, double your results because it's cheap right now. It's incredibly low cost. It's like, when's a good time to buy stocks? A month ago or today, right? So I know a month ago you felt more confident, but you look like an idiot today because you were paying 3 times what you should have. So today is the time for you to be advertising the right way, building that community, building your list, and getting people to do business with you. So again, I'm looking at doing this maybe Thursday. I've got 2 o'clock Eastern time available if I put it together. I'll get my Facebook guru on there. Many of you know Derek. I'll get my Facebook guru on there, and we'll talk about how do you build a business page and just run some simple ads, and what kind of ads should I use, and what kind of offers should I create, and how do I communicate with them if I can't go meet them face to face right now. We'll cover a lot of that information. If that is something you'd be interested in attending, just leave a message in the comments here so that I'll know you're interested. Side note, by the way, I do a lot of those trainings live, and I use a program called Zoom. Zoom has a limit of 1,000 attendees, and it's starting to be a problem for us because we get a lot more than that that want to attend. So if you know of any other webinar broadcasting company that does over 1,000 attendees, definitely let me know. I would greatly appreciate it. We're doing some research on that now. But anyway, want to know who is interested, just leave a comment here in the comment section. We got an awful lot of members doing really well right now with Greg Luther Inner Circle, and a lot of the marketing we do, even outside of Facebook. But I think this is the low-hanging fruit right now. You don't need to be sitting at home watching Seinfeld episodes and wondering what the heck's going on with your business. It's time for you to be hustling, and you should be raking in the bucks right now. So I'm looking at maybe doing that on Thursday. If you are interested, let me know. I will have all of my members on there potentially as well. So it's going to be a jam-packed call if we put it together. I haven't even checked with Derek to see if he will be available at that time. I know I am, so that's a good thing. But he's our brain wizard around that particular side of what we do. So if you look at your current business page you have on Facebook, and you may not even have one, but whether you do or don't, what kind of business is it bringing in for you every single day? Or do you already have tons of appointments lined up for whenever this thing is over and everybody can be back out selling and all that good stuff? And what does your deal flow look like every day? This is not a time to be sleeping. All your competition's sleeping. So this is an opportunity for you to really get your business rocking the right way. So again, we are set for Thursday, if I can make it happen. I'll be notifying everybody tomorrow if we can. Those of you that have said in the comments here that you do want to attend, let me know. And I will definitely get you an invitation for this. So what I'm going to do, walk you through the whole process of of how we create the page, how we promote the page, what we're doing with the actual ads. We don't do anything social. We're not showing, like, you don't have to show any of your personal life or any of that weird stuff. You don't even have to do video if you don't want to. Simple, static picture ads with really good offers that are getting lots of buyers and sellers in your area interested. So, again, we'll be covering that Thursday if I can put it together. No guarantees yet. I don't have a link to send you to or any way to register or anything like that. Just kind of coming up with it tonight. So anyway, hopefully you're being safe out there. Follow all the rules and recommendations that we're supposed to follow. We're all going to get through this, and I want you coming out of this that you learned more, you're doing more, you actually prospered because of what happened. To be clear, there's going to be a parting of the Red Sea. There will be a lot of realtors that disappear. There will be a lot of people that don't make it in this business, and some are going to be better marketers, better income earners than they were before this happened. I can tell you one thing for sure. My business is going to take off because of it. Will yours? Right now, every single person in every single neighborhood is sitting in their house, playing on their phone, playing on their computer. Are you in front of them with really good offers, or are you not? Okay, so hopefully that's helpful for you. Again, if you are interested for Thursday, leave a comment in the comment section here. I see a few of our members commenting as well. Thanks so much for all the kind words. I know a lot of you here are doing extremely well with Greg Luther Inner Circle. I couldn't be more excited to have you as a family member and working so hard at implementing these things. We've got to have somebody that congratulate us, right? We've got to have somebody that knows what we're doing, knows the hard work we put in place, and can authentically congratulate you for doing the right thing in your real estate business. I'm so excited to see the results everyone's getting. So we are going to prosper during this time. I hope you'll be one of those people as well. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments here if you are interested in attending if I do put a Thursday together, and I'll get with you and let you know. Make sure you're following the page and turn on notifications, because that's how you're going to find out about it. You got to be following this page here. Like this video if it was helpful for you. And I believe that's all I need to say today. Take care of yourself. Stop eating so much damn food. There's no reason you can't do sit-ups and push-ups in the house. Let's get at it. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.